Hi, welcome back to my channel again. Call me to me. I'm your diet coach. So today we're going to be talking about the king of fruits called mango. Has been tagged the king of fruits. It has varieties in taste, in colors, and in size. If you do not like A, you would love B or C. And if you do not like mango at all, man, you do not have joy inside of you. I'm sorry. Okay, so mango is one of the fruits with very low calories, about 99 calories per cup, with approximately 25 grams of carbohydrate in it. So if you're a Weight Watcher, you need to think again on the amount you should be having daily and how you should be having it. And the mango is filled with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Very good amount of dietary fiber, water, and digestive enzymes, which helps in our digestive system. Then it has very good amounts of vitamin A for the eye health. And mango has lutein and zeaxanthin, which accumulates light in the retina, which helps to the way our retina captures and regulates light. And then mango has about 70% of vitamin C of our recommended daily intake. So if you're having mango daily, it is not a bad idea at all to meet up with your vitamins and minerals recommended intake. So, and you know what vitamin C does? It boosts up our immune system. It helps in skin elasticity. It helps to produce sebum that moisturizes the scalp for our hair growth, and it helps to fight wrinkles as well. And then mango has this very unique antioxidant called mengiferin and polyphenols, which fights cancer. Study has given its proof on how these antioxidants have destroyed cancer cells in a long time, especially cancer of the colon, cancer of the lungs, cancer of the breast, cancer of the white blood cell, which is called leukemia, and prostate cancer as well. Yes, study has said that the nutrients in mango fights cancer. So the antioxidants in this mango, you know what antioxidants do? They fight the free radicals, so they help to destroy the cancer cells. So if you have someone who has a problem like this or who needs it more, so encourage the person to take mango, especially this season. Encourage the person to enjoy every fruit, every season of every particular fruit, and this is the season of mango, so we should eat mango. It's affordable, which we have our types, we have our taste, we have the ones we like, so we can always get them available and eat them. So mango is very good for our health. It's very good for the improvement of our health. So who wouldn't love mango? I'm a mango lover, and I know you will love it too. So thank you so much for stopping over. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing and sharing, and I love you.